Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm happy and delighted to make this kind of videos and help you or dear clients with the buy, sale and of course the rentals of the real estate properties at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. Now it's December, well, almost in Christmas. Look at me, I'm staying in a t-shirt, and friends, I already have seen some brave people that are taking a bath, going inside the beach, the water of the beach of El Cura. And yeah, people are enjoying here in the sun, walking in this promenade, sitting at the terraces, enjoying the meal. So today, friends, I will show you one completely, well, not one, two completely renovated ground floors. They are together. Perfect as an investment because you can get one or even two apartments on the same place, ground floors that are located just on the second line, just 50 meters away from this nice promenade of our city. With no more words, follow me and I will show you those nice apartments. So friends, we are, by the way, just check out how close it is. I see already the both apartments from here. This is Avenida La Purísima, one from the main avenues from our city. It's going parallel to the beach of El Cura, and so the location is top. So here we are, friends, as I promised, just a few meters from the nice beach. We are here by the main entrance, and please choose the right one or the left one. Both of them cost 230,000 euro, and you will see how beautiful they are and big, spacey from inside. You can, if you are an investor, you can buy both and rent them out. It's very easy to do the maintenance as both apartments are together. When the cleaning lady is coming, she will just do it at the same time both. So yeah, it can be interesting for somebody that want to buy as an investment, because we're in very good area. This area rents very good, easy. And maybe friends, you will say, oh, it's a ground floor and we don't have balcony and it's so not that good at all, but you will be surprised. Keep watching this video because you will see the surprise of these both apartments that they offer. So it's very interesting, and even if somebody is walking, it's more higher than the mostly of the people height, so nobody will watching at you directly. So as you see, I cannot see what's happening inside the apartment. And yes, now we can just go in. Here is the main entrance, is shared by both apartments. Here are the post boxes, and then just choose the one that you mostly more like. Let's start with this one. So friends, and it's very easy and simple. I will just quick explain you the difference on between these both apartments. Is very small difference. We only have the white of the living area and the kitchen a little bit different. On this case, we have 3 meters wide of the living space and 5 meters wide of the dining area and the kitchen. And on the next apartment, it's a mirror one. We have 4 meters of both wide, 4 meters wide of both areas. So this is the only difference. Yeah, it's just the thing is to choose if you need more kitchen and dining area or more living room. But I think this living room is enough. We have 3 meters wide, and yes, actually we have a lot of space. It's very spacey. Yeah, I will just quick explain about what this apartment offers. Of course, everything that you see here, furniture and white good, is included in the price. We have nice lighting. Everything is new here on this case. Doppel glass, nice quality packet windows and doors, security door. The kitchen is complete. Check it out. Fridge is Bosch. In the seat, we have good white goods. The wash disher also is here. So completely kitchen with nice shape, neutral colors, and looks very nice and modern, even better than mostly some of the new build that we have in our city. I will just quick show you that you can open this window if you want. We have electric blinds, and you can enjoy a little bit the city life from here where I was filming the video. But as I told you, friends, we have a surprise by the end. Now, let's keep walking. We have this panel here for the air conditioning machine is included in the price. And on this case, each area of this apartment has air zone. So you can be in the bedroom and you can regulate the temperature in each room that you want to have. This is expensive system and it's very nice for split the temperatures in each room. You can have them splitted. It's very nice. This is the first and small bedroom. It's not big, but enough for have a double bed. It has also a wardrobe, some glasses for more lighting that go into the living space, and yes, more than enough space. This panel to control the air temperature, you have it over here. Then, friends, we have this modern and nice bedroom. The bedrooms, both of them have a underfloor heating, so you can also heat this ground floor. It's more than enough in the winter. Second bedroom, also very similar with nice and modern qualities. And friends, this is the main bedroom with a wardrobe. We have a lot of space, and this is the surprise that those both apartments are offering. This nice private terrace that has our more or less 20 square meter size. So you can put a table here, you can put a lounge here, you can put your TV, can make a lot of things, or storage things from the beach. Here on this case, you can also cover it maybe with a metallic or plastic roof. It's allowed, and yes, it's a nice place to enjoy. You agree with me? And here on this place we have the wash machine, and the water boiler is very comfortable to wash your things and dry your things. It's very nice option, friends. Well, we are not done. Let's follow, and I will show you just quick. The next apartment is very similar to this one, friends. And look what I told you before. We just have 4 meters wide on this case, but all area is same. Well, the window looks bigger, so maybe on this case, if you want to have an open space area, it's better to choose this option. All the rest is same. We have same white goods, same kitchen, same lighting, and yes, it's very similar to the other one. No differences almost at all. It's a mirror one, and you also have, friends, this nice terrace. It has also same space. They are very similar. Very good offer, friends, to buy, to get your completely renovated apartment with good qualities, and the most important thing, in the best area of Torrevieja city. 230,000 each apartment. Contact me for more details. I will leave you my phone number. Just call me anytime or write me a message. I'm always able to answer everything about this property or any other property that is maybe similar. Share this video with your family, friends, and lovers. Subscribe this channel. I wish you a Merry Christmas and all the good in the next year. We'll see you next time at our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.